Hello and welcome to WeBuyAMotorcaravan.com. Today we have got the Burstner A747-2 Active. Now this is built on the newer cab of that year. It is a 52 plate, this one in particular. It is a very large motorhome, ideal for sleeping and travelling several people. It does travel 6 and sleeps 7. As you can see, it's got the twin rear axles. This model tends to be used for things like motocross because you have got a very large garage at the rear. It is 8.16 metres in length, 2.3 metres in width and 3.15 metres in height. Now, because of the size of it, it has got a gross weight of 5 tonne and a payload of 1,250 kilograms. And obviously this enables you to carry whatever you want in this very large garage at the rear. Now this is one I've been using myself, so I'm just going to show you inside. There are a few bits in there, but it will just give you an idea of the space in there. I mean, that is a full awning at the back, and it's not even taking a smidgen of the space in the motorhome. There is lighting in that garage also. Now this does come with the rear steadies. These were an extra for £153 from new. Nice big Fiamma canopy awning, the F1 large. The rear does have 2 access doors also. Reversing camera just above. Just about to see from this angle now, you've got the Dometic habitation air conditioning and solar panel on the roof. And that Dometic air conditioning unit from new was, I think, about £971 from an old spec list that I found. This one is left-hand drive. And the storage from the garage does go all the way under the floor. That cupboard connects all the way through to the garage at the back, all the way through. You do have an electric step and extra security on the door. Stepping inside, as we can see, we have got full leather all the way through. Now, as a cost from new, it's not £1,924 to upgrade to the leather. As you can see, we've got the two rear-facing seats, both with 3-point belts. Same as the 2 forward-facing seats, also with 3-point belts. Storage above, nice light colours, and TV cabinet, and there is a TV in there as well. And storage across the other side also. In the cab itself, very well spec'd, especially for this age. Now, to find a motorhome of this age with cab air conditioning is very rare. It was a £971 extra from new back in the day. Sat nav, assuming this is the original sat nav, not quite the sat navs that you got now, but again, it's another extra which cost just short of £2,000. Electric mirrors and electric windows also. Just behind the phone holder is a reversing camera that comes on when reverse is engaged. Doesn't have cab blinds this, but the curtains do fold across to keep the light out. Above the cab is the double bed. This double bed in particular is 1.95 metres in height, 1.58 metres in width, and it's got 600mm of headspace. It is quite a spacious overcab bed, that one. So the lounge turns into a double bed, the overcab bed as well, and then you can take this backrest, which doubles up as like a arm leaning part, and that can also be used as a single bed. So there we have 5 berths for the motorhome. switches for steps and lights, and control panel for the motorhome above the cab for the electric and water. Kitchen, very nice and bright colours. It works up itself, and it is a nice, modern, clean looking top. 3-hob burner, fridge underneath, domestic fridge, which is 103 litre. Then we also have the grill above the kitchen and lots of storage as well. Above the kitchen area we have the domestic air conditioning unit. As you can see, this is centrally placed, and it does blow all the way through the motorhome. Opposite the kitchen we have the bathroom with the shower unit, separate shower unit, sink and toilet. We've also got the cupboards just above that area as well. At the rear we've got the step, which goes up into a nice wide double bed, which is around 2 meters in length by 1.44 meters in width. I've got some nice little leather pockets for water or whatever you want when you're in bed. 2 lights above on that side, as well as a storage around. To finish off, we've got the wardrobe and the water heater in the cupboard below. Nice big wardrobe, and as you can see there, we've got the curtain that comes across to separate the bathroom and end bed to the rest of the motorhome. So it comes with a lot of extras from new, most that you won't see on a motorhome of this age, including the cab air conditioning, habitation aircon, full leather, sat nav, rear steadies, awning, and everything that you need. If you do have any more questions on this motorhome, or if you have a motorhome to sell, please get in touch by calling 01283 240 237 or by visiting WeBuyAnyMotorcaravan.com.